What's up, money lovers? Welcome back. Here are my top 3 growth stock picks for 2022 and beyond. Number 1, no surprise here, is Tesla. This is my number 1 holding. Tesla dominates the electric vehicle market and no one is close to catching them anytime soon. This is the company I'm most bullish on for the long term. Investing in Tesla is like investing in an innovation ETF. With Tesla, you get exposure to so many things. Batteries, solar power, AI, and robotics, just to name a few. They're so far ahead in EVs, and this has enabled them to pursue other areas of innovation simultaneously, this past year most notably being full self-driving. Tesla is poised to exit 2021 with a production rate of over 1 million vehicles per year. This article by Fred Lambert on Electric says that he thinks 2022 is not going to be as much about new products, and I would agree with that. Things like the Cybertruck, things like the $25,000 base model, I don't think those are going to happen this year, and there's really no reason why they need to, because Tesla already can't build enough cars to keep up with the demand that they already have for Model 3, Y, S, and X. So why would they introduce new products to the lineup when they don't really have to yet? I think these things will come in the next few years, but for now, they can dominate the market just by selling those 4 models. 2022 is going to be about growth again with the start and ramp up of production, both at Gigafactory Texas and Giga Berlin. So I think with these 2 additional factories, as well as, Giga Shanghai and Fremont just becoming more efficient and ramping their productions up as well, if Tesla was able to sell 1 million vehicles this year, they'll easily do 2 million in 2022. Maybe by 2023 we start to see the Cybertruck or the semi-truck come to production, and the $25,000 Tesla that's been rumored for so long now perhaps will reach production by 2024 to 2025. There's a lot to be excited for here. Second company that I think is going to have a great 2022 is Facebook or Meta. This company's been plagued by scandals over the past few years, but I think 2022 will be the year Facebook/Meta finally gets past all this and sets itself up as the key beneficiary of virtual reality. Now, regardless of whether you think the metaverse and Web3 are just buzzwords, as many do at this point, there's no denying that the Oculus is an amazing product that will sell tens of millions. Not to mention when you factor in its starting price of $300 is only the beginning. Through the Oculus, Facebook is getting people deeper into their own ecosystem where they're going to make even more money through in-app purchases, from games to exercise regimens and much, much more. This is the beginning to a new chapter. The Oculus will fuel Meta's growth for years to come. And the third company that I think is going to have a great 2022 is none other than Palantir Technologies. Look no further than their last earnings report. Q3 revenue grew by 36% year over year. Their commercial revenue is accelerating rapidly, and it grew 103% year over year. For the first 3 quarters of 2021, they grew their revenue 44% to over $1.1 billion, while generating adjusted free cash flow of $320 million with a 29% margin. And I think this company is very close to profitability, and the only reason that they aren't profitable yet is due to the immense amount of stock-based compensation they've been giving their employees, as you can see under their operating expenses here. But their revenue is increasing every year. Their gross profits increased pretty drastically each year, as you can see. Their gross profit has been steadily increasing, and the stock-based compensation will set them up for the long run. Palantir has prioritized long-term growth and prosperity over short-term profitability, as they should. So if you're a long-term investor, the future of this company is looking bright. So what are your top 3 stock picks for 2022? What companies do you think will grow the most? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Wishing you all a happy and healthy new year. This is Vinny from the Investment Club, and I'll see you next year.